Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I've been wanting to fix this for a while and today is finally the day. I haven't been able to lean back because the back piece has an arm connecting it and the plastic broke. I was thinking about doing a super glue epoxy, but don't think that will hold. Let's do some research and see what's out there. Okay, so according to this comment by Puzzlehead, I need a 1132 drill bit and some connecting bolts. Let's go shopping. We're back from Home Depot. These are the prices. I couldn't find anything shorter than this 30 millimeters, so hopefully it's not too long. The drill bit, let's set everything up inside and get to work. This was the original screw that was in there, and this is the piece of plastic that broke. Moment of truth. My plan is to just go from here and through the chair, trying to match this up as best as I can. Definitely not perfect. Here's what it looks like. This part sticks out a good amount, but I just sat in the chair, couldn't feel it at all. The back looks pretty good. I guess this is why they wanted the shorter 23 millimeter instead of this 30 millimeter that I got, to get it fit a little more snug. These are the two hex wrenches. This one's a little bit bigger, fitting this bigger side and smaller side. Always happy to get a new drill bit. Can't complain about this quick and easy fix. Video 277 done.